911, operator 350.
Hi, I'm dropping off my daughter. High school. I just saw a male Hispanic without a shirt walking around, which looked like an assault rifle.
Male Hispanic, no shirt. You said with a rifle?
Yeah, it looked like an assault rifle. Yeah, looked like a AK. He's like, let me see what street it is.
Yeah, what's the address or the location of where he is?
He just crossed the street. It's Darnay Street, and the other street that crosses is sorry, hold on, and East 8th Street.
Gardner in 8th?
Yeah.
Or Garland in 8th? Hold on, what's it? Oh, Garnett.
Yeah, Darnett.
Garnett in 8th?
Yeah.
I don't show Garnett. Hold on one second, because I don't show those two crossing. Those run parallel. So is he on Spencer? So Garnett and 8th Street run the same way.
Okay.
So there's Spence. I'm sorry. Spence, is it?
I'm trying to. Yeah, it's a little back street. Let's see. The map is not showing.
While you're looking there, do you remember what color shorts and pants he has on?
What kind of pants?
Boxes. It was like gray.
It looked like he had like gray boxer shorts.
And did you see the color shorts or pants? Or the jeans, do you know?
Let me see. There's another lady right there. Yeah, looks like she's on the phone too.
Yeah, I show you at Garnett and Spence. Can you see him where you are?
Garnett and Spence. Give me a second. Yeah, he's headed, if you could see where I'm going, he's headed, he just passed Opal Street.
So he's on Garnett walking towards Opal?
Yeah, he just passed Opal. He's wearing, it looks like black jeans, like black, gray jeans.
Black or gray jeans. Okay. Do you know about how old?
He looks like in his 30s. He has face tattoo as well. Face tattoo, he has tattoos on his body. I passed him, but he's right there. He's about to hit that main street, 8th Street.
Oh, so is he on Garnett and you said Opal?
Yeah.
Oh, those run the same as well. So Lorena, is he walking towards Lorena?
He's walking towards 8th Street.
On which street though? Did he cut down Lorena? So Garnett and Opal and 8th, those all run the same way.
He's on Spence Street.
On which street?
Spence. Spence.
Spence. Okay, going towards 8th.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, I'll go ahead and let the officers in the area know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Hey, Hollenbeck Unit. 415 man with a gun. Spence and 8th Street on Spence, walking southbound. Suspect male, Hispanic, 30 years. Tattoos on his face and body. No shirt. Gray boxers. Black or gray pants. Holding possibly an assault rifle. No threats made. It's code to...
Gun! Drop the gun! 4C1, give me a backup on Spence. Have everybody respawn southbound on Spence from 8th. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out! Get out!
Get out, car! You get shot, dude!
4C1, Christian McAvery, 2 Rogers, Spence and 8 for 452 miles gun. How are you response out on Spence from 8?
4C1, the suspect's gonna be inside a white van. He's armed with a rifle.
Get out of the car! Put your hands up!
Suspect's inside of a white van.
Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun!
Hey! Get out of the car!
Why not getting a full robber? And all units responding, helmet up. All units code Robert, Spence in the 8th. All units code Robert, Spence in the 8th. All units helmet up. 49, we're code out. Robert, equip, going around.
Hey, spit out, car.
49, Roger.
Get out of the car, dude!
4C1, Code Roberts at scene already. 4C1, shots fired, officer needs help. Shots fired, officer needs help.
All units, officers need help. Spence and 8, officer needs help. Spence and 8, shots fired. Right here, unit coming on. Hollenbeck. Airfield, where we're at, they're on Spence Street south of Hunter. Let's start walking down a crime scene here, guys. We're going to need 8 and Hunter block, and then units at the 8th and Hunter. Visual requesting units to block 8th and Hunter for a crime scene.
4C1, have an RA en route and have them post up on Lorena and 8th.
4C1, roger.
Get out of the fucking car, dude! Get out of the car! Get out of the car, you will get shot, dude! I see you reaching for that weapon! Get out of the car! Put your hands up! Don't do it! Don't do it! Hey! Get out of the car! Get out of the car, dude! See, when I'm already called Robert quick. Hey, just put out comms and stuff like that, dude. Get out of the car, dude! Liv, get your team over here. Get a shield. Get a shield. Come over here. I got you covered. He was obviously pointing at you and your partner. Get out of the line of fire. Tell your partner to get out of the line of fire. He has like an MP5 or something like that.
Full Robert, and all units responding, tell me up. All units code Robert, Spence and 8. All units code Robert, Spence and 8. All units helmet up. 4-9, we're code out. Robert, equip, we're in route.
Hey, you never know.
4-9, Robert.
Are you hot?
I'm on.
4-4 Robert, that's you already. Alright, you make that up there. Last fired, officer needs help. All units, officers need help. Spence and 8, the officer needs help. Spence and 8, shots fired. Right here, unit coming on. Hollenbeck.
Say it again!
Airfield, over at, they're on Spence Street south of Hunter. Let's
Hey, grab your shield partner.
here, guys. We're going to need 8th and Hunter block, and then units at the 8th and Hunter. Visual requesting units to block 8th and Hunter for a crime scene. 4C1, have an RA in
Hurry up, partner!
and have them post up on Lorena and 8.
SWAT officers launched a tactical drone to approach the van. Through the drone camera, SWAT officers were able to confirm that Flores was slumped over in the driver's seat, still armed with a rifle. Moments later, SWAT officers introduced chemical agent to the van to persuade Flores to exit. However, he again continued to not comply. A few minutes after chemical agents were introduced, and continued efforts by the crisis negotiation team to gain Flores' voluntary compliance, SWAT officers approached the van.
We're gonna grab him from the other side. Go around. Done? We're gonna grab the rifle. Can I grab the rifle? Oh, grab it. Let me grab it. Want to grab it? Grab it? Okay, I'll grab it, guys. Alright, you got one, grab it? Okay, you cover me? Yeah. Put that away. Yeah, he's I got it. Go for now. You gotta get out of the way, bro. Cover on this guy. Move around.
Stay over there with them. Here, let me cut that strap. Don't bother handcuffing. Don't handcuff him. Just roll him over. Just roll him over. You don't need to handcuff him. Lean flat. Lean flat. Lean flat.
Los Angeles Fire Department personnel assigned to the Tactical Emergency Medical Support Unit, also known as TEMS, who were already at scene, conducted an initial assessment of Flores and ultimately pronounced him